Unacademy. Let's crack it.
Which of the following, now the question starts. I will be giving you a timing of 30 seconds and you have to give me the answer. So tell me, this is the number one question. Which of the following is most common brain tumor? Most common brain tumor. Right. So most common brain tumor, 71% has given me right answer, and that is the metastasis. Right. So always remember the language is very important. Most common brain tumor. If examiner would have asked most common primary brain tumor, then what will be your answer? Can you tell me in the comment box? Can you tell me in the comment box what will be the most common primary brain tumor? What should be your answer? No, it should not be glioma. Please remember, most common primary brain tumor when examiner is asking, your answer should be meningioma is more commoner than glioma. Please remember. These are the lines of Harrison 20th edition also. I am talking from the Harrison latest edition. So please remember, and those who are having doubts, for them I have brought the pages of Harrison also. Now you can see this is the Harrison page, right? I think this page number is not visible here, but this is the page number 643, if I remember well, right? I think it is not visible in this, but it is page number 643. If you go through the Harrison, now you can see what Harrison is saying. Can you see? Primary brain tumors are diagnosed in this much of percent, right? Meningioma account for 35% of the tumor, right? Schwannoma 10%, and central nervous system is the lymphoma is this one. Brain metastasis are three times more common than primary brain tumor, right? And now you can see primary brain tumor, what is more common? Primary brain tumor, meningioma is for 35%, right? So metastasis and all these things are less, right? So now, no, these data are not from the USA. They have not described that these are the USA data or not, because when they describe, they will be writing that this is the US based data, right? When they'll be writing, then we're telling that this is the US based data, right? So here they are telling that each year in the United States, but here they are not telling these are the data from the United States. Maybe from the United States only, but that's what I have read from the other books also. I can bring those references also, right? So this is according to this. And second, you can see here also, when you are talking about the malignant tumor of the brain, this is again Harrison also. Gliomas are the most common type of malignant primary brain tumor. Please remember, these languages are very important. Most common type of malignant primary brain tumor. Meningioma is a benign tumor, and gliomas are the malignant tumor. So that is why I want to say like this: when examiner is asking you what is the most common type of brain tumor, your answer should be metastasis. Remember, it's a general language. Most common type of brain tumor. Examiner is not talking about the primary or secondary. So metastasis should be the more commoner than primary. And when we talk about the primary, most common primary will be from the small cell cancer. Most common primary for this metastasis is the small cell cancer of the lung. And amongst the primary tumor of the brain, remember meningioma is more commoner than glioma. Right. Here again, I will emphasize meningioma is a benign tumor. So if examiner says most common primary benign tumor, then your answer should be the meningioma. But glioma is a malignant tumor. Glioma is a malignant tumor. So when examiner says most common primary malignant tumor of the brain, then your answer should be the glioma. I hope it is clear to all of you. So now you understood most common primary brain tumor is metastasis. Most common brain tumor is metastasis. Primary brain tumor is meningioma. Most common primary malignant brain tumor will be glioma. That is what I wanted to tell you from the Harrison also, right? And now when we divide this brain tumor pediatric versus adult, so here again I will tell you, in adult, in adult, secondaries are more commoner than primary. That's what I have told you. But when we check the pediatric, primaries are more commoner than secondaries, right? Primaries are more commoner than secondaries. And when we talk about the most common pediatric tumor, see, most common benign tumor is the juvenile pilocytic astrocytoma. In pediatric age group, most common benign tumor is juvenile pilocytic astrocytoma. Most common malignancy is the medulloblastoma. Please remember, I am talking about the primary brain tumor. Pediatric age group, primary brain tumor is more common. Which is most common primary brain tumor? Juvenile pilocytic astrocytoma. Most common malignant tumor is medulloblastoma. Right? Done. Now, benign tumor, malignancy, done. In adult, when we talk about what is the most common benign tumor, is the meningioma. What is the most common malignant tumor is the glioblastoma. Most common primary malignancy is the glioblastoma, which is a glioma, right? Which is a glioma. So what I want to say here, that adult, if you are seeing most common overall, which is most common? Overall, most common is meningioma. Overall, most common primary brain tumor in adult is the meningioma. What is the most common overall primary tumor in pediatric age group? So most common primary tumor in pediatric age group is juvenile pilocytic astrocytoma. I hope this table is clear. After the lecture, you can upload this PDF and you should go and revise, right? So that's the point we have to remember here. Clear? Everybody is clear about this? So most common tumor of the brain is metastasis. Most common primary tumor of the brain is meningioma. Most common primary malignancy of the brain is the glioma or glioblastoma. Right? Glioblastoma is a part of glioma.